This is my self-running generator. It took over 10 years to think it up, trial and error. I'll just give you the rundown. You all might think it's hocus pocus by looking at all the wiring, but I assure you it's not. We've got a power UPS running from these two shitty car batteries. There you go, there's the cord running up to the back. Then you've got the output, the white cord, running into this power board system here. I've got it plugged into a soldering iron. I've got this Swallow charger plugged in, charging that battery. We've got this grey cord that comes out over there into this inverter, which is powering this washing machine motor. I think it's like, I don't know, 100 watt. It's turning this 3-phase motor here, which is out of a smart drive, which is coming out of that, and it's coming into this little rectifier here, which is then goes back to the batteries, just keeping the battery charged. That's the voltage with the soldering iron plugged in. And to all show you that it is hot, I'll do the lick test with the finger. Oh, I can get hold of it, because it should go tss. I don't know if you can hear that. Yep, but it is hot. And it's charging this battery. That's the voltage. So I'm only designing this for more like camping. This is all going to be built properly. So it's only going to be running LED lights. And probably, you know, a few chargers and stuff like that, but we've got 240 volts. And these are only shitty batteries. I've got two big deep cycle 130 amp hour batteries to go on this, so it'll run better. So when I unplug this, what's the name? What is it? The soldering iron, that voltage should go back up. That's just running this little thing. And I know these pull a little bit of power. That's 11.2 volt battery, so a few amps are going into that. So basically I'm just using the power off its circled loop. Circled loop, that's it. There's no other power cables coming in. We've got a battery cable there, power cord here, which goes up into there. There's no other power cables going into this power UPS, as you can see. It's only the white one coming out, which is powering the power board, and then we've got the battery coming in from these batteries. That's at 46 hertz. Let's see what the amps are. It's that little motor. 0.4. That's how many amps this little washing machine motor's pulling. I've used heaps of different motors over the years, 3-phase, everything, DC, brush, everything. And it all come down to this little motor, the most efficient little motor. I think it's 3-phase, but this is a 3-phase inverter and 2-phase, but it didn't want to run on pure 3-phase, so I had to run a capacitor and go in between one of the lines to make it run. And that's the hertz. So I just wanted to share that all with you all. That's the voltage still, hasn't changed. It just fluctuates around. Still charging. There's the time, 13 minutes it's been on for. And this battery was near dead flat. It's 99 milliamps into it. 0.45 amps. So, cheers.